Oh sudah. Belum nih. Oh ini udah nih. Oke. Ini udah belum sih? Nyanyi deh lo. Everything will be alright. Langsung deh, tegaskan aja. Kita lanjut lagi. Detroit Become Human. Rajin-rajin live streaming. Assalamualaikum Pak. Assalamualaikum Pak. Waalaikumsalam. Assalamualaikum Pak. Ya ampun banyak banget. Assalamualaikum ya. Waalaikumsalam. Kita lanjut lagi cerita yang kemarin. Todd. Kok suasananya tegang gitu. Yeah, I'm coming. Serve food. Ntar dulu, itu apa itu? Ntar dulu, itu apa itu? Nah ini ada key secret. Nah itu nggak ada yang nonton ya, nggak bosan-bosan amat. Jadi kalau lagi cerita-cerita kayak gini itu lagi santai, besok ngobrol, kita ngobrol. Oke, spaghetti makan malam. Water, air dulu. Harus digeser sticknya. Life's funny. Ya, banyak orang yang kehilangan pekerjaannya karena Android. Nggak ada yang bisa kita lakukan. Oke. Oke. Kita diam. Aduh, ini orang stres atau gimana nih si Todd? Kak nanti miau out dulu lah ya, bentar. Ya udahlah, nggak apa-apa. Kok marah-marah? Ya kan? Nah kan. Kita go see Alice.
I know it's a vault. You stay there. Don't you dare fucking move. Or I'll bust you worse than last time.
Okay. Don't move.
Good call. Not a word.
Don't move. Jangan gerak. Kok aku gerak? Don't move. Lu ngapain nih? Oke. Ngapain nih? Oke. Protect Alice. No reason with that. Langsung ke atas aja, langsung ke atas. Alice mana Alice? Alice.
He's coming. He's gonna hurt me. Run! Get away, or he's gonna break you like last time. You're coming with me.
Daddy's very mad, Alice. Very mad.
Hide. Ngumpet. Ih.
It's all her fucking fault.
Ini efek samping dari ini ya, narkoba. Jangan dibuka. Oke.
Alice, come out of there right now.
Ih, lari. Open door. Oke, bisa. Ini timingnya harus pas. Astagfirullahaladzim. Timingnya harus pas. Bas. Naik. Iya kan? Mulai seru nih. Mulai tegang.
You have to obey me. You're mine.
Untung saja. Oh, gampang larinya. Tegang tuh. Aku sampai ini loh. Sampai deg-degan tadi di akhir. Momentumnya harus pas itu. Good part. Kara and Alice evade that. Ini kan ending yang pernah aku selesain. Ya benar. Ending yang pernah aku pilih. Go upstairs, reason with that. Shove Kara downstairs. Todd goes upstairs. Ini beberapa ending, ada berapa ending jadi total? 1 tadi, 2, 3, 4. Ada 4 ending. Satu part doang ada 4 ending, Mbak. Lama ini shoot filmnya. Di rumahnya si Carl. Oke, Markus. Yap, benar sekali.
That was by far the most boring party I've been to in the last 25 years. Every time I go to one of these, I ask myself, what the hell am I doing here? I hate cocktail parties. All the
Udah
schmoozers.
tua loh, masih ke pesta
Well,
aja.
it's a chance for all those people who admire your work to meet you.
Nah, no one gives a damn about art. All they care about is how much money they're gonna make out of it. Come on, let's have a drink. Oh, the excitement of this whole thing has made me
Oke,
thirsty.
jadi kita habis pulang dari pesta party.
Scotch, neat as usual?
Absolutely.
Okay, but you know what your doctor would say.
Scotch kayak minuman gitu ya. Minuman apa ya?
Enough to choose
Scotch.
my own medication.
Yang pastinya tidak ada di Indonesia. Kalau ada di Indonesia saya tahu. Nah, bentar ya udah dah. Tonton Miao Auk loh. Siapa yang nyalain lampu?
I'm sure I didn't.
Call the police.
Oke, call the police.
This is Carl Manfred's android at 8941 Lafayette Avenue. We've just returned home and found the lights on. There may have been a break-in.
Let's go check it out.
Benar, yakin? Maling nih, perampok bu. Perampok nih, jangan-jangan nih. Lah, itu siapa tuh? Leo, oh anaknya.
doing?
You refuse to help me, so I'm helping myself. It's crazy what some people pay for this shit.
Don't touch him.
Look, they're all gonna be mine sooner or later anyway. Just think of it as a down payment on my inheritance.
Marcus, get him away from there. Get him out of here.
Make Leo to leave. Oke.
Any reason?
This isn't gonna get you anywhere. All you
Kita
ever
buat
do is
tenang.
tell me to go
Kita buat
away.
tenang.
What's wrong, Dad? Not good enough for you? Not perfect, like this fucking thing?
That's enough. Get out right now.
What makes it so special anyway, huh? What's it got that I don't?
Leave him alone.
Come on, let's see what you got.
Marcus, don't defend yourself. You hear me?
Oke, don't defend yourself. Oke. Jangan lakukan apa-apa.
Think you're a man? Act like one.
Stop it.
Doesn't matter too much of a pussy.
Stop it, Leo. Stop
Too
it.
scared to fight back, you fucking bitch.
Enggak. Oh, mulai terbuka pikirannya android ini ya.
Oh, right. That's right. I forgot you're not a real person. You're just a fucking piece of plastic.
Leo, leave him alone.
I'm gonna destroy you. It'll just be me and my dad. I'm gonna tear you apart. And nobody's
Diam aja.
You're nothing. You hear me? You're nothing.
Diam aja daripada salah ya kan. Kan?
Carl, no.
Diam aja. Ntar dipus malah ini. Malah celaka.
Leave, okay? Please don't go. Don't leave.
Remember, Marcus. Don't let anybody tell you who you are.
No. Dad. No. Please.
This is all your fault. This never would have happened if it weren't for you.
Polisi datang.
The android. Who's the android?
Kan dituduh kan. Udahlah. Android juga udah pada sadar kan. Leo accuse Marcus. Ini ending yang sebelumnya. Police arrive. Police mistook Marcus for the aggressor. Oke. Ini
Why'd you kill him? What happened before you took that knife?
ke Connor lagi.
How long were you in the attic? Why didn't you even try to run away?
Dari pengambilan gambarnya sih bagus ya. Sekarang bukan
something, goddammit.
bukan manusia lagi yang diinterogasi.
Fuck it. I'm out of here.
Sekarang android diinterogasi coba. Neutral.
Wasting our time interrogating a machine. We'll get nothing out of it.
Integrasi mesin.
You always try roughing up a little. After all, it's not human.
Androids don't feel pain. You would only damage it, and that wouldn't make it talk. Deviants also have a tendency to self-destruct when they're in stressful situations.
Okay,
Oh.
What should we do then?
Berarti kalau stres
We have to lose. Go ahead. Suspect's all yours.
Jadi kalau dia stres, android stres itu punya self destruction atau apa ya tadi ya. Pokoknya ledakan. Jadi meledakkan dirinya sendiri. Seperti itu. Oke, kita interogasi dulu. Kita duduk. Santai. Analisis dulu, kita analisis. Seperti biasa. Apa ini? Ortiz Carlos, darahnya si korban. Ini pukulan, hit marks, oke. Terus ini juga kena pukulan. Burn, luka bakar kena rokok. Ini serinya mungkin. Model HK400 housekeeper. Housekeeper jadi buat kayak ya housekeeper, kalian tahu lah. Processing LED. Oke, low, masih low ya self destructionnya. Oke. Optimal stress.
I detect an instability in your program. It can trigger an unpleasant feeling, like fear in humans.
Once.
The damage. Did your owner do that?
Aduh.
Did he beat you?
Naik dong, kita harus turunin ya. Comfort.
I know you've been through a lot, but you need to help me understand what happened.
Oke, turun, nice.
Listen, I'm on your side. I want to help you, but there's nothing I can do if you won't talk to me.
Oke, turun lagi. Kita coba cari kepercayaan dia. Oke, nice.
All I want is to get you out of here.
What are you
gonna do to me?
Melakukan apa?
No. I think they just want to understand. They know your master abused you.
Oke.
It wasn't your fault.
Why did you tell him you found me?
Oh.
You just have left me.
They were going to find you anyway. I was just faster. If
Oke.
they had found you first, you would have been shot on sight.
Oke. Level stresnya harus kita turunin. I don't wanna die.
Then talk to me.
Talk to me.
I can't.
Masih stres atau trauma ya kayaknya. Choose approach. Oke. Pilihan yang menentukan.
You leave me no choice.
Kocak. Kocak. Ngapain? Astagfirullahaladzim. Kok susah begini, Pak? Tombolnya. Ya, ini memorinya. Oh.
I accessed its memory. I know what happened.
Oke. Level stressnya 100. Udah nggak apa-apa. Udah lari. Udah lari.
What the fuck? It's destroying itself.
Self destruction. Menghancurkan diri sendiri.
I can't stop it. That's enough. You need to stop that right now. Watch out!
Uh-oh.
Holy shit!
Berarti memorinya kehapus semua dong. Iya, memorinya kehapus semua. Gagal lagi, gagal berarti misinya ya, untuk mendapatkan informasi. Kita lanjut ke jalan cerita Kara nih kalau nggak salah. Kara bukan sih? Kayaknya Kara deh. Sampai tidur loh.
Alright. End the line.
End of the line?
Yeah, you're gonna have to leave.
Oke, kita bangunin. Wake up. Leave bus.
Listen, we have nowhere to go. She's exhausted and it's pouring rain. Can we just stay for a little while?
This bus is going back to the depot. There's nothing I can do.
Kita nggak bisa tinggal di sini karena bus ini bakal kembali ke depot tuh apa ya?
Gonna be okay? We'll find somewhere to spend the night.
Ya, kita cari tempat untuk berteduh, berlindung.
Come on, Alice. We gotta hurry. We need a place to stay. Do you know anywhere we could spend the night?
Lah, Androidnya. Sini. Coba ke kanan. Jalanan sepi BTW. Yo Kara. Kara. Ke Alice. Gak lu bukan di zebra cross kocak. Ini. Emang bisa sini?
Alice, you're freezing cold.
I'm okay. I'm not so cold.
You look lost.
Oh,
We have nowhere to go.
I know someone who can help you.
But that's on the other side of town. We need a place for tonight.
lah. Android di mana?
Come on, Alice.
Ke toko.
Look, the store is still open. Maybe we should go inside. At least you'll be out of the cold.
What do you want?
I'm with a little girl, and we have nowhere to go. Could you spare some money so we can get a room for tonight?
Shit. A homeless android?
Homeless android.
Look, this is a convenience store, not the Salvation Army, okay? You better go if you're not gonna buy anything.
Oh. Kita coba beli sesuatu kali ya. Oke. Ceritanya mau nyolong apa bagaimana ya? Jangan deh. Dari pertama masalah ya kan. Jangan. Yuk kita keluar aja yuk. Alice, kita keluar yuk. Ayus Alice. Try something else. Ada nggak usah. Kita keluar aja yuk. Keluar aja. Jadi daripada nyolong. Jangan nyolong lah. Yuk sini. Alice, sini Alice. Ya. Cari tempat lagi. Ada motel. Kotanya tuh lihat tuh. Grafiknya lumayan bagus sekali.
Looks like we found a place to stay.
No Android ya.
We're not going in?
We have to find $40 and get rid of this uniform. Or go somewhere else.
Aduh, kita harus cari tempat lain. Masa rumah tua sih? Nggak mungkin rumah tua kan? Kita harus cari baju.
There's nothing more this way. An abandoned house. At least we'd be out of the rain.
Kara, I don't like this place.
I know. But it's just for one night and no one will look for us here.
Toko narkoba gitu loh. Kan motel. Ini toko laundry. Kita masukin nggak? Oke, kita masukin. Kita cari baju.
You'll feel better in no time.
What the? Lah tidur bocah. Lah ngorok. Astaga. Program complete. Open. Curi udah. Bodoh amat, lu mau anget dah. Kalau mau anget dah diem aja udah. Nurut. Daripada jadi orang baik mulu kan. Jahat dikit gak apa-apa lah. R2. Oke, perfect. R2, R1, cut. Oke. Ya, putus juga nggak? Oh. Bangun nih bocah. Oh enggak. Cepetan. Leave. Oke. Cepetan kita ke store. Get $40. Oke, kita ke store lagi. Kita ke toko lagi. No Android. Nggak boleh, Android nggak boleh masuk. Kita ke toko ini lagi. Oke. Kita ke toko ini lagi untuk mencuri uang. Bang.
Knock them down? But why?
Please. Alice, just trust me.
Ayo. Masya Allah.
You alright? Are you hurt? Well, don't worry. It's just a few cans.
Udah $40 aja, nggak usah banyak-banyak lah.
Come on, let's go.
Bingung dia.
We have some cash now.
You used me to steal that money. How could you do that? I trusted you.
You're right. I shouldn't have done that. I'm sorry, Alice. I'll never do it again.
Oke, berarti kita bisa nginep di hotel. Oke. Sip. Daripada di situ ya kan. Harus nyolong baju, menyolong duit dulu emang. Oke. Kita ke hotel.
Hi.
Hey, I'd like a room.
That'll be $40 up front.
Pay.
Just need your name and address.
Hah?
Can I see your driver's license?
We were in a rush. I think I forgot it at home.
No worries. We can deal with it tomorrow.
Oke, tik, ambil.
Have a good night.
Aku kembali. Halo kembali. Halo kembali. Halo Rafasya. Halo kembali loh. Oke.
Do you think he believed you?
Kita kamar kita di mana?
All I know is you'll be nice and warm tonight.
Yang penting kita punya perlindungan dulu. Di atas apa di bawah? Di atas. Kamu udah nonton ini belum, Pak? Detroit Become Human. Pasti udah tahu lah ya. Meow Auk main juga ternyata. Semalam aku ngecek. Ini dia. Turn on. M. Belum. Ya bagus lah kalau belum lah. Daripada udah ya kan, bisa nonton di sini. Dan kalau kamu udah nonton di Meow Auk juga sama yang aku mainin, belum tentu sama jalan ceritanya. Karena ini decision story. Jadi kita bisa milih storynya gimana. Misal mau good ending, bad ending. Kara. Kita nyalain dulu. Ya kan nanti ada pilihannya, iya. Coba cek kamar mandinya, lumayan bagus ya motelnya. Kayak kos-kosan gitu.
Let's get these clothes off. They're soaking wet.
Ditutup kocak. Jangan.
I'll just put these in the bathroom to dry.
Kok tumben sepi ya nih, nggak tahu nih. Pada kemana nih? Biasanya rame. Biasanya paling cuma 2 orang. Kemarin 2. Ditaruh di atas regulator. Penghangat ruangan apa sih namanya, regulator ya? Biasanya rame, iya biasanya ada 2, 3.
Why didn't he ever love me? Why was he always so upset with me? All I wanted was a life like other girls. Maybe I did something wrong. Maybe I wasn't good enough. That's why he was always so angry. Just wanted us to be a family. Just wanted him to love me. Why couldn't we just be happy? You'll never leave me, right? Promise you'll never go.
Promise.
I promise.
Will we be together forever?
Forever.
Forever.
Jangan buka aurat. Enggak, masih aman itu mah. Masih aman ini. Ini anak TK ini, si Alice-nya ini. Kayaknya ya. Tuh masih aman. Kayak bukan sesuatu yang lebih yang apa yang terlalu disclaimer. Kayak ya di gamenya juga inilah developernya nggak berani kan buat ini, buat bikin yang kayak gitu, munculin yang kayak gitu juga nggak berani pasti, karena ada beberapa game memang takutnya kena take down gitu. Kalau walk away dulu. Set up for the night. Sleep here. Tuh, Android mah duduk tidur berdiri duduk gak masalah, Pak. Kan juga ada game yang buka aurat. Yang nggak tahu, aku belum pernah mainin yang begitu. Game apa itu? Untuk regulasi game story ya. Nggak tahu udah aku game apaan itu. Alice and Carol stay in hotel. Mantap tuh, aku udah nyelesain ending yang stay in the squad, yang rumah bekas itu loh. Ada 3 ending. Inside parking. Oh iya, ada 3 ending. Sebenarnya aku udah selesain 2 ending ini, jadi tinggal 1 lagi. Mungkin kalau banyak yang nonton aku selesain ending-endingnya. Set ending dong. Ya lihat saja nanti. Oke, si Markus kayaknya. Set ending dong biar seru. Kalau set dong, set mah sedih. Gimana sih? Si Markus. Ya kan, abis ditangkap polisi udah dibuang aja gitu karena kena tuduh dia. Oh, ini hilang bagiannya, ada bagian-bagian yang hilang. Biasanya baju sininya. Oke, betul kan. Rempam level system low power mode. Ini yang membuat Android kayak, kan Android itu dibuat bisa berpikir secara logis gitu. Mereka mulai berpikir, wah ini nggak adil nih manusia nih, kenapa ya manusia gitu-gitu. Kenapa ya manusia ya menjahati Android terus. Kak, sampai jam berapa ya ini? Ya sampai kelar aja ntar. Sampai kelar aja. Kalau udah mabar yuk. Iya itu, coba aja lihat di grup. Replace. Di grup nggak ada yang jawab, Pak. Aku nge-WA biasalah. Makanya aku nggak mabar karena aku live streaming karena nggak ada yang mau mabar. Kok horor begini jadinya? Apakah itu kaki saya? Oke, itu kakiku. Aduh, kok jadi tegang begini, Pak? Ih, bisa gitu loh. Satu lagi, kaki kiri. Apakah itu kaki saya? Oh, bukan. Itu kaki kanan. Yang kita cari kaki kiri. Ceritanya gimana itu? Ini ya kamu nggak ngikutin dari awal. Ini kena tuduh loh. Bisa dipasang ya, namanya Android ya kan. Markus. Ih. Lock. Tuh, enak banget itu bongkar pasang ini. Bisa berdiri nggak? Oke. Escape junkyard. Masih bisa nge-scan tapi nggak bisa mendeteksi ya. Karena ya low mode. Allahu Akbar. Hah? Jericho siapa? Jericho siapa? Nanti kita harus nyari Jericho. Siapa Jericho? Aduh, tangan semua itu, Pak. Game, tolonglah ya. Kok serem ya? Cok, sumpah cok, serem cok, nggak bohong aku. Astagfirullahaladzim. Dipegang-pegang gitu kepala. Kaget lah aku loh. Banyak Android. Kita harus cari part-part kita harus cari bagian-bagian kita yang hilang. Developernya gila kali ya. Emang seru ini game, seru banget. Pernah jadi bonus game di PS4 Megapack. Ya pernah jadi game terbaik juga menurutku ya. Salah. Allahu Akbar, gak gitu dong. Udah gila po. Aduh, nggak bisa ngeliat pak. Ini apa nih? Oke, regulator yang dicari. Bekil aja lah. Bodoh amat. Udah menderita ini saya. Ayo masukin. Markus. Nggak dibuang dulu, itu dimasukin dulu kan, baru dibuang. Oke. Kayak Iron Man-nya ya. Nggak apa-apa, udah, kamu udah ada ya, saya menyelamatkan dunia. Aduh, belum bisa scan pak. Ini apa ini? Mata dong, saya butuh mata. Oke. Cocok, matanya cocok. Halo. Oke, udah lihat Jelas, udah bisa melihat jelas. Oke. Lihat banyak sekali android yang mau escape. Ini apa sih dari tadi? Audio prosesor, bukan dari sini. Dari sini nih suaranya. Dari kiri. Ah iya benar. Dari situ. Developernya gila kali ya. Au, oke. Jadi nggak pengang lagi. Stabil, udah stabil parahnya. Climb the slope. Ih. Cepetan Markus cepetan. Hujan lagi dah. Cuma Markus bro yang paling sehat bro, tuh lihat tuh. Aduh, ngapa turun lagi Markus? Bisa yuk. Ayo Markus. Oke, iya. Dikit lagi. Oke, mantap. Lolos dari Junkyard. Apa nih? Rip off. Oh, ringnya dicopot biar dia nggak kelihatan sebagai android. Sakit itu. Aduh, susah kontrolnya. Sakit itu. Oke, jadi nggak kelihatan jelas kalau di Android. Tuh kayak manusia, dia jadinya udah. Oke, my name is Marcus. Mejeng gitu tuh baju. Siapa yang nyiapin tuh? Dan ini kalau game-game begini tuh kebanyakan shoot di apa ya, banyak ya. Panjang, masih panjang banget kan, baru mulai kemarin sejam. Connor. Ya kah, Connor? Yes. Amanda. Find Amanda. Jadi mau namatin sekarang enggak lah. Lihat saja nanti ya. Harusnya sih nggak bakal tamat karena ceritanya panjang banget, nggak bakal tamat hari ini maksudnya. Si Connor, si detektif. Mana nih Amanda? Mana kamu Amanda? Aduh, indah sekali tempatnya. Bagus Pak tempatnya Pak. Soalnya lama-lama bosan. Iya emang awal-awal memang bosan. Kita disuruh memahami ceritanya terlebih dahulu, baru nanti fightnya di belakangan. Ntar belakangnya aku bikin seru. Tenang aja, belakangnya nggak bakal aku kasih damai lagi dah. Pengen main FF. Emang kalau nggak paham, sebenarnya kalau paham ceritanya sih seru. Cuma karena kamu kan
When a Connor model is destroyed, its memory is transferred to the next one. But some data can be lost in the process. Avoid being destroyed. It will be better for you and the investigation.
I understand.
The interrogation seemed challenging. What did you think of the deviant?
It showed signs of PTSD after being abused by its owner.
Kak, ya, kenapa?
Program had been completely replaced by new instructions.
This Lieutenant Anderson has been officially assigned to the deviancy case. What do you make?
Kok nggak ada suaranya? Suara siapa? Kak, suara siapa? Nggak ada suaranya. Nggak ada suaranya. Ya Kak, nggak ada suaranya. Coba. Ya Kak, nggak ada suaranya. Coba ya. Coba.
We would define him as dysfunctional. He obviously has a personal situation impacting his professional behavior and seems to have
Ada
no
kok ini.
interest in the investigation.
Unfortunately, you have no choice but to.
Ada kok ini.
What do you think is the best approach?
I will try to establish a friendly relationship. If I can get him to trust me, it will be helpful for the investigation.
Salah pilih lagi tuh.
More and more androids show signs of deviancy. There are
Halo?
millions in circulation.
Ada kocak.
If they
Di YouTube ku ada
become
loh.
unstable, consequences will be disastrous. You're the most
Aku juga sambil
type cyberlife has ever created. If anyone can figure out what's happening,
salah pilih lagi tuh. Apaan orang ada? Jangan main-main kocak. Di sini ada. Ada kocak. Di YouTube ku ada loh. Main-main kocak. Di sini ada. Ada kocak. Di YouTube ku ada loh. Main-main kocak. Di sini ada. Ada kocak. Di YouTube ku ada loh. Main-main kocak. Di sini ada. Ada kocak. Di YouTube ku ada loh. Main-main kocak. Di sini ada. Ada kocak. Kok ngulang-ulang lagi dah. Nah baru ada dasar. Sampai nyalah pilih loh aku loh tadi loh.
hurry, Connor. There's little time.
Tadi apa? Pencet segitiga bahaya ya. Detroit City Department. Lieutenant Anderson lagi.
Can I help you?
I'm here to see Lieutenant Anderson.
Do you have authorization?
Yes.
Lieutenant Anderson hasn't arrived yet, but you can wait at his desk.
Okay.
Tensions in the Arctic have reached a new level, with a Russian carrier and an American patrol boat reported to have clashed last night. Several warning shots were exchanged.
Oke, mejanya Letnan Anderson di mana ya? Ini Dr. Reed. Ini dia mejanya Letnan Anderson.
Excuse me. Do you know what time Lieutenant Anderson usually arrives?
Depends on where he was the night before. If we're lucky, we'll see him before noon.
Thanks.
Biasanya tergantung dia mau datang kapan. Biasanya sih malam. Katanya. Kita explore. Listen musik. Play. Night of the Black Death. Oke, itu musik tuh. Untung nggak di setel ini.
Hi, this is Hank. Not here at the moment. Leave a message if that's what turns you on, but don't expect me to call back.
Kita cari clue lagi inilah ya kan yang dilakukan detektif. Suka makan lu Anderson. Letnan paling santai bener. Coffee cup, cold coffee. Oh berarti udah dingin, udah lama ditinggalin. Japanese maple. Ini apa? Ada clue lagi nggak? Nggak, aku main FF dulu ya sama ya. Oke. Aku paling habis misi ini udahan. Karena sepi. Foto dia. Ini dia orangnya.
My name is Connor. I'm the android sent by Cyberlife.
Kaget.
My predecessor was unfortunately destroyed, but Cyberlife transferred its memory and sent me to replace it. This incident should not affect the investigation.
Jesus.
Hidup lagi android itu.
I've got 10 new cases involved. We've always had isolated incidents. Old ladies losing their android maids and that kind of crap. But now, we're getting reports of assaults and even homicide, like that guy last night. This isn't just Cyberlife's problem anymore. It's now a criminal investigation, and we've got to deal with it before the shit hits the fan. I want you to investigate these cases and see if there's any link.
Why me? Why do I gotta be the one to deal with this shit? I am the least qualified cop in the country to handle this case. I know jack shit about androids, Jeffrey. I can barely change the settings on my own phone.
Everybody's overloaded. I think you're perfectly qualified for this type of investigation.
Bullshit! The truth is, nobody wants to investigate these fucking androids, and you let me hold the bag.
Cyberlife sent over this android to help with the investigation. It's a state-of-the-art prototype. It'll act as your partner.
No fucking way. I don't need a partner, and certainly not this plastic prick.
Hank, you are seriously starting to piss me off. You are a police lieutenant. You are supposed to do what I say and shut your goddamn mouth.
You know what my goddamn mouth has to say to you?
Okay.
Huh?
Okay. I'll pretend like I didn't hear that. So I don't have to add any more pages to your disciplinary folder, because it already looks like a fucking novel. This conversation is over.
Jeffrey, Jesus Christ, why are you doing this to me? You know how much I hate these fucking things? Why are you doing this to me?
Listen, I've had just about enough of your bitches. Either you do your job or you hand in your badge. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got work to do.
I'm very pleased to have joined the team. I can assure you I'll do my very
best. Close the door on your way out.
Have a nice day, Captain.
Ayo baca. Read. Famous Detroit painter dies. Si Carl. Si ininya Markus. Siapa? Majikannya Markus.
I understand the destruction of my predecessor may have been unpleasant for you, Lieutenant. I'll do everything I can to make sure it doesn't happen again. In any case, I'd like you to know I'm very happy to be working with you. I'm sure we'll make a great team. Now that we're partners, it would be great to get to know each other better.
Diem aja lu.
Is there a desk anywhere I could use?
No one's using that.
Udah nanya meja aja. Sit down. Basketball.
You're a Detroit Gears fan, right? Denton Carter scored 53% of his shots from the three-point line yesterday. Did you see the game?
That's what I was watching at the bar last night.
Oh.
Music.
Do you listen to Knights of the Black Death? I really like that music. It's full of energy.
You listen to heavy metal?
Well, I don't really listen to music as such, but I'd like to.
Masih gitu loh.
A lot of people don't appreciate having androids around. I was wondering, is there any reason in particular you despise me?
Yeah. There is one.
Turun lagi.
You have a dog, right?
How do you know that?
The dog hair's on your chair. I like dogs. What's your dog's name?
What's it to you? Sumo.
Sumo.
Call him Sumo.
If you have any files on deviants, I'd like to take a look at them.
Terminal's on your desk. Knock yourself out.
Masuk apa? Masuk tersangka.
243 files. First dates back 9 months. It all started in Detroit and quickly spread across the country. An AX-400 is reported to have assaulted a man last night. That could be a good starting point for our investigation. I understand you're facing personal issues, Lieutenant. But you need to move past it. And
Hey, don't talk to me like you know me. I'm not your friend. I don't need your advice, okay?
I suggest you sort out your personal issues and let me work with someone more competent.
Listen, asshole. If it was up to me, I'd throw the lot of you in a dumpster and set a match to it. So stop pissing me off. Or things are gonna get nasty.
Lieutenant, sorry to disturb you. I have some information on the AX-400 that attacked the guy last night. It's been seen in the Ravendale district.
I'm on it.
Ya ampun. Udah deh.